Alright, so here's exactly how a dropshipping store works. First, we're going to find a product that we can sell online. So for example, this 3-in-1 charging device for Apple products that we can find on Aliexpress for $19. Then we're going to build a Shopify store where we will sell this product for $59. To get people visiting our store, we'll have to run some ads on social media platforms like Facebook or TikTok. When somebody orders the product on our store, we will then buy the product ourselves, in this example on AliExpress for $19, but we will ship the product directly to the customer who bought it for $59 on our Shopify store. So after product cost, shipping, advertising cost, and processing fees, we should be able to make a good profit with every sale on our store. The main benefit of running a dropshipping store is that we don't need to buy and store products before we sell them. Only when we get a sale on our store, we'll buy the product and ship it directly to the customer. So because we don't need to buy any inventory in advance, starting a dropshipping store doesn't require a lot of money to start. So how do we find products to sell? Products that work best on dropshipping stores are products that have a wow factor, meaning that it easily grabs people's attention when they see ads about the product on social media platforms like Facebook or TikTok. It's also helpful if the product solves a problem and is in a passionate niche, like for example fitness, personal care, or pet products. An easy way to find products that are already working well is to simply go to Facebook and look at the ads that you see there. Usually, it's quite obvious if they're dropshipping the product that they're selling. We can also go to TikTok and type in "TikTok made me buy it," and here we'll find tons of product ideas as well. If you want to save some time when looking for products, you can also use a product research tool called Minea. Minea filters out winning products for you and gives you all the information you need to sell those products. I'll leave a link to this tool down below in the description. Once we find a potential product, we'll go look for suppliers who are selling this product. Usually, those suppliers are in China. Aliexpress.com is where we'll be able to find most products for a very cheap price. Alibaba.com is also a very good place to find suppliers. However, oftentimes they only sell in bulk, so you'd have to order a lot of units at once, which isn't optimal for dropshipping. Nowadays, you'll also find many dropshipping suppliers with warehouses in the US and Europe. By using these suppliers, you'll be able to offer quicker shipping times, but usually the products are a bit more expensive compared to AliExpress. I'll leave some links to suppliers with local warehouses and quicker shipping times down below in the description.